Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Discord invite link invalid or expired. Many users cannot join servers because the invite link does not work, and this usually happens due to expired links, revoked permissions, or incorrect link settings. First, check your internet connection. Slow or unstable networks may block link access. Switch to a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection. Step 1. Verify the invite link. Confirm the link is correct and complete. Missing characters or typos will make it invalid. Step 2. Check link expiration. Discord invites can expire or have a limited number of uses. Contact the server admin to generate a new link if expired. Step 3. Check server bans or restrictions. If your account was banned or blocked, the link won't work. Contact server moderators if needed. Step 4, try a different device or browser. Sometimes mobile apps or web clients fail to recognize links. Test on desktop, mobile, or browser. Step 5, disable VPN or proxy. Some networks may restrict Discord access. Turn them off temporarily and retry the link. Step 6, update Discord. Outdated versions may not process links correctly. Always use the latest app version. Finally, contact Discord support if the link still doesn't work. Provide the invite, server name, and steps tried. Support can check account or server issues. So yeah, fixing Discord invite, link invalid or expired, is about checking internet, verifying the link, checking expiration, checking bans, trying another device, disabling VPN, updating Discord, and contacting support. Follow these steps and you should be able to join the server normally. Hello, everyone.